Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we're heading off to St Mullins in Carlow, just across the Wexford border, and we're heading to Mullet Chain Cafe. I hope I haven't murdered that. And it's supposed to be a really nice place, so let's check it out.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Time for a bit of lunch. That looks delicious. Not a bad view. Not a bad view at all. As you can see, it's quite beautiful here. Absolutely stunning. Even with the rain, makes it look even nicer. What a place. What a place. I only thought of it today when I was looking through my notes and stuff. People give me tips where to go. Wow. Brilliant. And just the art then as well is stunning. And a man in these two dogs on a boat. So on my way to St Mullins Ancient Monastery, I found this beautiful place, St Mullins Camping. So let's have a look and see what's in here. Looks like there's camping on the right hand side there as well. And there's a holy well here, and it showed outside that there was a holy well. It said well house, so I said I'd check it out. So you have this beautiful holy well here. And up around the back then you can see the holy well kind of extends around the back, and it's like a little pond for all the world. Isn't that cool? Really beautiful little place. Absolutely. So then you have the description of the holy well there as well, and you can see the camping in the right hand side. So yeah, that was a nice little place to visit on the way up to the ancient monastery as well. This place is full of little gems. I'm absolutely loving it. I'm looking forward to seeing what the ancient monastery looks like. So we'll head out from here. You can see camping there on the gate. And I'm going to come back up here with the young actually. It looks fantastic. Okay, there's the church over there. I'm not sure whether that was it or not. So it's going back down the way. Okay, so we're heading off to the church now. I'll get the name of it down in a minute. just to make sure it's right. St Mullins Monastery. It's not that hard. St Mullins Monastery, yeah. So popping around here. Here we go. St Mullins Monastery. Grave of 1798 leader General Thomas Cloney. But yeah, there were ruins and stuff like that as well. Ended up getting loads of points here. I didn't want to mention it on the video, but I ended up getting loads of points. There's a cool place down there, the camping place. It's really good. I might come up here someday with the little lad, and looks a great place. And then the food down at Mulchain Cafe, absolutely delicious. It's such a lovely place. Definitely 100% recommend. This is actually the nicest place I've been. You're sitting on the lakeside and it's just absolutely stunning. Everything from the boats going around and everything. So let's have a look over here first, see what it's like. Oh no, bell and oil, nice one. Yeah, so let's take a ramble around here. I didn't look up any of the history of this land, so let's have a ramble around anyway. It's only like 40 minutes away from where I live, 40 minutes from Waterford City. So it's such a beautiful place. Can't get over beauty of Ireland, huh? There's the High Cross here, some info there. Stop and read it if you want. High Cross there. St James itself. Wow. What's going on here, aren't they? Views, that's. So the grave of 1798 leader. Ooh, look at this. Nearly fell there. Fairly darkened. General Thomas, who at the age of 24 led the charge on the Three Brigade 1798. Art King of Leinster, faithful defender of his country, who was poisoned at New Rossmond 1417. King of Leinster. Fascinating place, isn't it? It's down here. Domestic building. Diamond shaped hole, diamond shaped window. It's actually really warm today. We're roasting. It's okay in the bike, but when you're actually walking around, it's roasting. I guess I may have anything on the way back later. Okay, so oratory. See, especially if it's locked. Not sure if this is. I don't think this is the place I was looking for earlier. It's getting a bit later now, so I'm gonna head down that ways. You can go over this side, maybe. The Abbey. And we'll come back up around. And we're walking around the graves. This once was probably a full building. It's mad. We can go that way. It's the first building we come into. First part of the building we come into. This national monument is in the care of the Commissions of Public Works for the state. Yep. Right, that's it there. Sun up on the mountains there. Hope you enjoyed that little tour of the church. And it's fascinating places that you come across, isn't it? You know, and amongst the most beautiful landscapes, so you can see why they built here and why it looks so special as well.